So hi everyone, it's me Persoj again, and for today's video is another day, walking day with my baby, and this is his 1 week walking papuntang school, no? So it's good day. Good di ko siya pinapalakad kasi para maarawan din siya ba. Mga ano siguro to nalakad at 10 minutes to 15 minutes, no? Depende kung magkapit-apit siya sa dalan, and marami pa siyang itches sa kanyang ilong kasi nga even though maaraw kasi is uh, malamig pa rin yung panahon. So it's his second day, and of course third day. So 1 week good din naman yung panahon, and then pabalik-balik lang tong area na to kasi walang masyadong sasakyan. Sa unahan kasi is meron, no? So, this is the fourth day of his school. So, medyo na-memorize din yung daan. And lastly, yung fifth day. So, mabili siya maglakad, honestly. So, but matagal lang kami dumating kapag may mga madadaanan siyang magaganda na gusto niyang curious siya, no? Gusto niyang daanan. So, again guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much everyone. Ingat lagi and God bless.